So if you're really interested, you want to be an independent woman, and if you're located out of country, independent and investor, so I can suggest the working women who are especially housewives or got settled after marriage, I'm not working, you can have this boutique variety, which is a peacock stonework has been done, such a beautiful at the copper jerry you can see here. So India is one of the country where we have many cultures, many traditional ways of the clothing. If I talk about a clothing business, and India is a place where the Surat is one of the biggest city which is located at Gujarat state. Many more designer collections for the especially women's wear they get manufactured and they export. So hope you all understand that the all designer boutique varieties of lehengas or the designer work sarees, so boutique pattern business retailers, so these are exporting from Surat, and many more textile manufacturers are there. But we do have a stable manufacturers. So I'm talking about the Kesaria Textile manufacturers, friends. So I'm Rani Subramanian here. Once again, I welcome you all to KTC factory. So today, as I said, I'm going to show you the collections from the designer boutique sarees where the many Indian women based on the family events, parties, and they have a designer boutique pattern varieties of a retail concept. So we do have a women entrepreneurs who run really boutique retail concept business. I've seen the double the profit, and many more women entrepreneurs from starting from home based business to today they are into a good profitable business and viewing in the market where boutique retailers have such long going a business profit, I can say. So if you're really interested, you want to be an independent woman, and if you're located out of country apart from India like Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, if you really want to run your own business and you want to be an independent and investor, so I can suggest the working women who are especially housewives or got settled after marriage, I'm not working, you can have this boutique varieties of designer boutique sarees. So subscribe the channel, I'm going to show you some varieties. The Kesaria is giving you these varieties of from 700 to 800 rupees, and if I talk about the highest cost, which is of Indian money, 3,000 bucks, you can buy all the varieties. And these sarees are exporting to many countries, and what price according to the country pair these collections are selling out. So I can only suggest you, we can also have such beautiful varieties. If I talk about the first pattern, this is a yellow color, which is only silver stone is placed. If I talk about this saree, this is such a pretty, which is a dark contrast color. See, such a beautiful view of this saree, which is only filled with the silver stone. And this saree, the designer, all sarees are getting manufactured. As I said, Kesaria is giving you. And these sarees are also having a beautiful color chart. So I can only tell, if you're really interested to invest, I can suggest you can easily directly visit ones which is located at Kesaria and Ring Road, which is Millennium Textile Building, and which first floor, morning 9:30 to 6:30, you can directly visit. Visiting is a really very benefit for you. You can see multiple varieties of these collections, not only in the saris. We do have a woman ready-made like kurtis, bottom, running material of salwar suit, western, bottom varieties, dupattas, lehengas of designers, party wear, side wear, bridal, semi-bridal, and number of collections you can buy from Kesaria manufacturers. If I talk about this color, which is a copper jerry, and this you can see here the diamond stonework pattern, there's a finished of the lace, and which is a chiffon fabric. And number of sarees, we do have a designer boutique, all demanded sarees, and pretty Rama color, which is a traditional base, beautiful design, which is a peacock stonework has been done, such a beautiful at the copper jerry you can see here. So this is the stonework and designer saree, and this is a lace which is highlighted the saree. Every saree you will get a chart of the color chart, and 6 to 7 colors you will find out, and easily for the functions, for the family events, small mini events also you can give to each others on the birthday parties also, such varieties. If I talk about the pastel colors, we do have a pastel color chart. It's a baby pink or onion color, I can say. Such a beautiful, this is a jimicho fabric, which is only stonework and mild thread work is given, and such party wear varieties are demanded at the out of country. We do providing cargo services and sea services to many more countries, or many clients are getting these collections. easily sitting from their own country and doing the online business, where online shopping also directly. We do have a Kesaria online executives where they will share the entire catalog based through WhatsApp, and you can communicate and you can get it. If I talk about the gray color, mini heart printed of the ash color, such a beautiful, you can see here curving design which has been highlighted, and the fancy tassel has been highlighted, the Kesaria logo brand tag you can also find out. Such a beautiful party wear collections also you can see here. See, this is a one more saree. So n number of collections, which such elegant collections and grand varieties of party wear collections also you can buy. If I talk about the two-tone shade with the stone work and two-tone color, which is a beautiful color of the lavender color with the wine color combination, and the stonework of the golden stonework, which is a leaf work has been done. So this is almost a multi work, which is a thread work highlighted, and the stone work has been placed. You can take a screenshot. This is a gypsy collections, and every saree, if I'm not able, if I'm not sharing the code, you can take a screenshot and you can directly contact our sales team. So lavender come with the wine color combination, such a beautiful lightweight. These are the sarees. If I talk about the next saree, which is a black, every woman likes the most black color. Black many people like, and this is a thin lace which has given with the fancy tassels, such a beautiful, which is highlighted with a designer saree of the thread work like a wave pattern. It has been designed, and the golden stone was highlighted with a zigzag pattern with the border has been placed with the fancy tassel. This is a one more pattern. Last but not least, light pastel color of the green color. It's a sequence work has been highlighted, which is a lace has been highlighted. This is a plain only at the lace and the saree bottom where you can see such work. This is a pattern. See, the sequence work and the stone work has been highlighted, and the zigzag pattern mini border has been done with the thread work. Such beautiful exclusive varieties of designer boutique sarees Kesaria is giving and exporting. 700 rupees to 800 rupees. We do have a multiple zipper package varieties and quality collections, catalog, non-catalog chart base, anything you can buy easily at factory cost. And at the market, these collections are selling very fast moving varieties and fast moving collections, which is in the sales profit you can see. These varieties you can easily purchase. You can contact Kesaria Manufacturers online team, and you can also visit, which is located at Surat, Ring Road, first floor, Millennium Textile Building, morning 9:30 to 6:30. Your shop will be open. You can have a view, you can visit, and you can buy many more options. You have from small investment to unlimited. You can invest and directly tie up with manufacturers, and you can start your clothing business. Let me know how was the designs of designer boutique sarees. Please place an order. These collections are depend on the season. Many collections are exporting, and we get new collections manufacturing according to the festival season. So hurry up for these collections, add in your business. Please share with your friends, relatives, everyone. For regular updates, please watch this channel. There's a bell icon. Subscribe the channel. Keep supporting. Next video, I'll come up with new collections. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.